It's Wheels here, and today we have a couple of mods that we're gonna be doing to the outside of the vehicle. We have the rock guard that goes in the hood, and then we're also gonna have fender flares that I'll be installing. I just got the car detail. Let me show you the package. There's also gonna be an install for this. I'll add that in here too. Here's the ABS rock guard for the front, for the hood, which is gonna be installed like that. And I got the black smoked out finish. They also make this in chrome. And in the box are the fender flares. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. I just got the car detail. I was gonna make a video about it, but I right now I don't have the time to detail it myself. I took it to a place here where I live, and they do a pretty good job. They do such a good job that even just with my sandals from the dirt when I was getting off, it's marked. The only thing that I do like to touch up is the windows myself, just to have that street clean. That's just from when we went to go pick it up, but I mean, the interior looks really clean. For 35 bucks, they vacuum it, they clean everything. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be wiping down the windows. This right here, clean and repel, to give you that clear window finish, and it repels against rain. Hang on tight, let me go ahead and clean the windows, and then we'll begin the installation process on those things that I ordered. Almost busted my ass right there. Alright guys, so for the interior windows in the car, I'm using this koala cleaner. So I use my glasses cleaner, the cleaner that I use for my glasses, and it works perfectly. So I'll show you in a little bit what it looks like with this product, and let me just continue and give it one last wipe inside and out. Alright guys, now that we finished the windows, let me give you, look at that shine. And like I said, that's just one wipe with the rain deflector one, and another one with the koala cleaner. Look at that. It's like you can barely even see that there's glass. And you would definitely see the streaks, especially with the sun. Just the way it is, you'll definitely see streaks, but I mean, look at that mirror finish. The front smells streak free. I love it. I love it. So this didn't come with any instructions or anything, but it's pretty easy. Let's open it up. Oh, wrong side, my bad. Alright. So it comes with two of these big ones. Right? And these go right here. Oh, they fit in there nicely. Just trying to peel that. There we go. There we go. Ah. There we go, we got it. Never mind. Alright, there we go, we got it now. There it is. Alright, so there it is. That's what it looks like. Let me give you guys a closer look. So that's what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's just a little sticker. The adhesive is not really strong, so that's something, you know, to complain about. Something I'm noticing, the adhesive, unless it's because I put the armor all, but still, it looks good. But like I said, the sticker, the glue is just not sticking. Let's do the other side. They're pretty much installed in this little gap right here that you see, this little cutout. That's where this sticker goes. So here we go, same deal. Let's try to peel this. There we go, a lot easier now. There we go. Maybe it was because it has armor all. This side, I wiped it with the side that didn't have armor all on the rag, on the microfiber rag, and look, it came out pretty good. So let's do the other sides as well. We'll begin with this side on the front. There. Teach you guys a closer look. Hey, that's a little flair to it. I like it. I like it. I dig it. Alright, let's do the back now. My car interior is full of mosquitoes now. That's so horrible. Let's try to peel these things off again. Oh, now I'm getting bit up. You guys see all those mosquitoes? It's freaking incredible. Alright, so like I said, the only negative thing about this is that the adhesive is just not strong enough. It's weak adhesive. So there we go, that's the first install. Now we're gonna do the hood. Let's go to the hood. Alright, so this is what we're installing. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and there's the instructions. And I like that it comes wrapped, so that's pretty cool. It says enclosed alcohol pads and surface prep must be used on vehicle prior to installation. It says that we must read the instructions before proceeding. Oh, look, it's just like that. This is the instructions. There, alcohol pre-pad and surface prep. Alright, so pretty easy instructions. We just gotta use the alcohol pad and then do the paint prep with this just around the surface where it's gonna be. Second package, it's a little oily and it actually left some kind of sticky residue on the hood. I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up, but it's, let me see, hold on. There. It's really sticky in there now, so alright, let's continue. Let's let it dry off for just a second here. And they recommend that you peel these first and work your way out. So they're really sticky. That's already a good sign. Man, these mosquitoes are killing me. It's really tough not having nails here. Oh wait. We still got these two over here. Oh, here on this side you can definitely see the residue. You can definitely see it. Easy to install, pretty easy. You align the corner, right? You align it with the bottom lip to the bottom lip of the hood, and then just pull and press. Dude, come on. Here we go. Everything lines up perfectly and it's pretty strong. So just go on top of it like so. Perfect. So there you guys have it. Dude, that looks so sick. Just that adds to the vehicle. Just that little bit. Take a look at that. Man, I love the way that looks. And you get the AVS logo there. You got the AVS logo up there. I'm not kidding, I love the way it looks. Alright, fender flares. Let's begin with that. So this is what the truck looks like before the fender flares. And let's open up the package. There we go. I don't know what this is, but okay. Comes with this. Screws, bolts, you name it. Alright, so initial thoughts. They're really flimsy. Look, you can hear it. Sounds like cheap plastic, to be honest, and I'm not really looking forward to installing these. They're not like the other ones that I've seen where they have 3M tape that they just put in place and peel off. So I'm not really looking forward to installing these. Looks like it's gonna be a lot of work. I'll probably install one off camera just to get the hang of it. And let's see something. Let's see what they look like I'm guessing this one goes. And that's gonna be an issue right there. That's what I thought. My mud flaps are gonna be an issue when getting these installed. Pop this in and I don't know, man. I don't know. And like I said, to be honest, I'm not digging it. I am not digging them. They look like really cheap plastic. Alright guys, so after all of that, I'm not gonna install these. These look like pretty cheap plastic to me, and the installation process is gonna be a nightmare. I gotta remove all the mud guards that I have already put in place. So I am not gonna do that. And not only that, but I gotta remove this thing. This one right here. And if you have a Chevy truck, you know that this is already a pain in the ass to take off. So I'm not gonna install those. I'm gonna buy some of the other ones that I've seen. Alright, so at least we installed two things on the vehicle. One was it stuff on the interior and the rock guard for the hood. But yeah, I am not happy with these fenders. I'm gonna ship them back. You know, I'm not gonna put them into the truck. It's gonna make it look awful, and you gotta actually drill into the car itself. You're gonna have to make holes on right here, drill them in place. I would do it if if they look nice, but nah, man, they look like cheap plastic. So anyway guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to comment, rate it, and subscribe, and I'll see you for more mods. That's my time for today, and I'll see you in the next video.